My name is Ed Levin. I'm with International Point of Sale, and today I'm going to be demonstrating corner store point of sale on the Partner Tech PT-6215, which is an amazing device. It's an all-in-one touch computer, but with a twist. It's got 5 items in one. It's got the computer, which could be a run Windows XP Pro or POS Ready 2009. It's got a 15-inch touchscreen monitor. It's got a receipt printer in the back, which makes this thing really unique, and a rear 2-line display in the back as well. And it's got a card swiper and only one power supply for all those things. I also got here APG Series 4000 cash drawer, which has a lifetime warranty. It's 18 inches by 16 inches, a Motorola LS9203 laser scanner, omnidirectional, a Verifone pin pad, which I'm going to be demonstrating using Mercury Payment Systems Trans-Century PCI compliant gateway shield, and that's all the peripherals. So I'm going to log in. I'm going to do with employee swipe card into the corner store POS software. You'll see how easy it is to use. I could scan barcodes. Here is some coffee, a heat wrap. We got a notebook, and we got some bumblebee pink salmon. And I can also enter in a quick item, say $1.99, put it into the candy department, $5.88, put it in the beer department, do a little donut, do some lotto, and hit the pay button. Totals $27.27. I'm going to put in $30, press cash, the drawer pops open, receipt printer prints right from the back, and you're done. Now I'm going to do a debit card sale using Mercury's Trans-Century Shield, which is PCI compliant. You can just enter a couple items, $2.99 candy, do a donut, some lotto, and scan some pink salmon. We got a total so far of $6.03. Gonna hit the pay button, hit debit. Now the Mercury screen comes up. Just swipe the card. And on the pin pad it says $6.03. I'm going to enter in my pin number. Press enter. And the receipt printer prints the debit receipt, and we're done. And that is the whole unit. One last thing I wanted to show was how all of the peripherals plug into the bottom of the unit, which stands by itself underneath here. So beautiful cable management. Thank you for watching.